Hi, Jay here again with another Matterport 3D virtual tour. This time we're at Glebe Road, 950 North Glebe Road in Arlington, and just a quick little gym 3D scan showcasing the amenities at this location. Real simple layout, it's kind of a square layout. We can talk, get more technical and just being creative and trying to avoid having the camera in the reflections on the mirrors in the gym. So right here we can take a look at trying to hide it as best we can. If we have something black in the background, then that's gonna obscure the tripod and the camera. You can also look for that divide in the glass in the mirror to kind of distract from the reflection in the mirror. So that's what I did. I kind of did a little bit of both here. Had some equipment in the background, so I could utilize that. Right here, I used the framework for the dumbbell press on the Smith machine. Here I used, just kind of got as close as I could without being in the mirror. And over here, I dropped my level so the dumbbells would hide the camera. And I think that's pretty much it for this area. Got a mirror here, 2 mirrors to watch out for. Here I hid myself behind this machine. Yeah, so just being aware of reflections. Just kind of have to keep busy, constantly checking reflections, mirrors throughout any space you capture. This side's pretty safe, just windows, so nothing to be afraid of here. Here again, we can hide behind this machinery. Just can kind of see the camera just barely right there, but most of it's obscured and it's pretty far back, so you're not going to notice that. Here we're hiding on the framework. We saw that one already, or close to that. Here, this area is safe. Sometimes in the windows, you're going to get a reflection, so it's good to be aware of that. This is frosted, so no issues there, no issues there. It's usually when it's dark, you're going to see the reflection like a mirror in the windows. So during the day, it's usually something not to worry about. So again, small little gym, Glebe Road, North Glebe Road, Arlington. This pop-out is going to be another amenity that was scanned separately. So this is just kind of a peek into the lobby, which has this lounge area with a bunch of conference rooms too. It's pretty nice. And then the gym is back here, past the elevators to the left. And I think that's only 360. I can double check. We'll pop into Dollhouse view for better understanding of any more 360s. 360s are going to look like these little bubbles here, but we can do a top down. So I didn't do any trims. You can see the light fixtures here. I believe I just wanted to show the open high ceiling, and they're not very distracting. So just these little pucks that are floating, and these light bars, so it's not bad. If you're at a perspective angle, get a pretty good view. Zoom in a little bit for a unique view. Always fun to do this. Get an idea of the space, size and space and layout quickly. Yeah, so pretty good spot. Plenty of room to get a good workout in, and got your weighted balls. I don't know what the exact term is for that. Dumbbells, Smith machine, I think this is like a lat machine, lat pull down. Or doing arm exercises, curls, tries. But it's got more of a cable flex to it. Gonna get a lat pull down bar, legs, treadmill, bikes, steps, or stairs, whichever you prefer. And they got yoga mats, but I guess the only spot you can do yoga is probably over here. Got the TRX. I don't think they have a pull-up bar though. That would be my preferred body exercise. This one might have a pull-up bar. I don't think it has a pull-up bar, but you could. I've done this before. I'll drop this bar and then just use the top rung to as a pull-up bar. So you could either use this one or that one. And if you're tall, just tuck in your legs and drop this bar down. Anyway, oh, sorry, my bad. Here's the pull-up bar. Maybe I wasn't tilted up enough. So no need to do that. Cool. Anyway, quick tour of 950 North Glebe, Arlington, Virginia. Thanks for watching again. See you at the next one. Bye-bye.